Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the last day of Spooktober tutorial or tutorial-tober, whatever the heck I called it. I don't even remember at this point. Today we are going to be doing a walkthrough devil look. So I'm doing this for a collaboration on Instagram and I figured it would be a fun one to do with you guys, especially for the last week and the last video of October. So I really hope that you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into it because I feel like this might take me a while. So I'm going to start out like always with my NARS eyeshadow primer. Pat that on. So I'm not going to be doing like a quote-unquote full like red face, or like I'm not going to be doing anything like Nikki tutorial level. If you guys have seen that video, oh my gosh, that was amazing. I die every time at the stuff that Nikki can do, I swear. But it is going to be at least a little challenging, I think, for me. I'm going to try and do like a wing that equals like the devil tail and everything like that, and put like little horns with my brows and everything like that. I'm just going to try and have fun with it, so I hope that you guys appreciate that, and I know this is going to push me a little bit, so I didn't really figure out how to start, so I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to go right in to my crease. Gosh, I need to clean my brushes. This is not cute, you know. I'm going to go in and clean off the ColourPop E17. I almost always start in my crease with this when I'm trying not to be too messy with it. And I'm going to go in with Flavor Town from the Purex Raw Beauty Christy palette and just start applying that to my crease. Just go straight in with this red here. And I feel like I want it to be kind of sharp, so I feel like I might do something like that. And then like maybe cut that later. So I'm kind of just trying to pat this on for now and just really lay the pigment down, especially in this inner corner, because this inner corner is kind of hard. Like, it's harder for me to blend there than it is my outer corner. So I am just placing it down and then I'm slowly trying to buff it out. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. And you feel like they don't look the same. I don't know. Oh, this is so stressful. I don't know how people can do this all the time. Like, people's artistry blows me away every time. I just get so nervous doing anything like this. I'm just like, nope, just give me a good like neutral or even a color sometimes, and I'll do a really cute cut crease, and that's the extent of my artistry skills. Like, people just amaze me, honestly. Okay, I don't think that looks too bad, right? Okay, and then I'm gonna also put that underneath my eye. Okay. Yeah, okay, I know. Alright, I have an idea what I'm gonna do. Okay. So I'm gonna take the ColourPop E6, it's an angled eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna put that under my eye, and I'm gonna wing it out to like meet the wing that I created over there. Actually, do I want to cut it first? I feel like I probably want to cut it first. Hold on. See, this is what happens when I don't plan these things out ahead of time. I'm just a disaster and I'm running around trying to figure out what to do. Okay, so I'm going to cut my crease and kind of sharpen out this edge a little bit here. Okay, now that I have the crease cut and set and everything, which took a lengthy amount of time, let me tell you, I am going to go ahead and take that angled eyeliner brush and connect the bottom to the top. And in case anyone is wondering, I set my cut crease with a basic toot from the Nikki X Beauty Bay palette. Being very, very careful. Shape this wing the way that I want to. Kind of smoke it out a little bit. This is probably the most precise shape I've ever gotten with an eyelid before. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of proud of it. Is the crease cutting perfect? It's still pretty cool. Now I'm just going to very, very gently, sorry, I'm going off camera a little bit. I'm going to very, very gently smoke this out a little bit more. So I'm taking my ColourPop E18 to do that. Oh my gosh, let me know down below if any of you guys picked up the Stone Cold Fox palette from ColourPop. That is their latest mega palette release. I picked up the palette and the brush roll because I love ColourPop brushes. You guys know this. And I'm very excited about it. I cannot wait to film a review and tutorial. For those who don't know, it's basically a cooler toned version of their Bare Necessities palette, and I'm very excited about it. Now we're kind of getting the smoke that I want. Because I don't know, when I think of the devil, I think of like smoky. Like sharp but smoky, you know? I feel like we're finally getting there. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Cremated palette. Oh goodness. And kind of continue to smoke that red out a little bit, but like transition it to gray. I think I'm gonna take the shade Embalmed and Wednesday and kind of use that to smoke the shape out a little bit more. And I think I'm going to do that both inside and outside of that crease a little bit. Oh, that looks pretty cool. I kind of love the way that this is looking right now. I'm really vibing with it. Okay, so now that I've kind of put that grayish tone around my eye shape, oh, I forgot to do the inside on the one eye. Okay, that's all right. We're gonna go in with Mortuary Beautician, and we're gonna fill in the shapes that I created and droplet products. And then just to add a little bit more darkness to it, I'm going to take a combination of Angel of Death and Hearse from the palette, and I'm going to put that on the inner and outer corner, almost like a halo eye, but not quite. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the same on the other eye and clean up all this fallout, and I'll come back. Alrighty, so now what I'm going to do now that I have the eye look almost done is I'm going to take my red ColourPop liquid liner and I'm going to draw my little devil horns above my eyebrows. Alright everybody, so this is the finished eye look. We just have one more thing we want to get done, and that is lips. So I know exactly what I want to do with it. I think the devil would or she devil would have dark vampy lips. So I'm going to line my lips with the ColourPop Love Bug liner. Oh, also, if anyone is wondering, these are the Glamnetic lashes in the style Baby Girl. I really like them. I think they're very dramatic. I still need to get better at putting them on. If you guys want a review of Glamnetic lashes, I would love to do one for you guys. I'm still trying out all the styles and figuring out the best way that works for me, but I would love to do that for you guys, so definitely let me know down below if you want that. So I just used the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Date Night. Now I'm going to go over it. This is just the Jaclyn Cosmetics lipstick in Ambition, but again, you can just use any brown lipstick you have. And I think that this is the final devil look. I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't end up doing the winged pitchfork thing that I was gonna do, but I actually really like the way that the eye turned out. I was really nervous about it for a little while, and I think it turned out really nicely. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you for joining me for Tutorial-tober, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everybody!